What's good, y'all? Y'all see the FL Studio in the background, man, just in case, man. I might have to make a beat. Hey. But yeah, let me get to my pages, man. We got the notes in here, man. And we got my ideas in here, but I'm here to bring y'all a video. The first plugin that y'all need, man, is called TDR Nova. It's an EQ, man. Y'all need to equalize. Y'all need to know. Y'all need to be mixing y'all drums. You need to mix your bass, taking the highs out of the bass. You know, you gotta equalize your bass, man. Bass is very important. You gotta know how you mix your bass, and that's just one instrument. The second plugin I got for y'all is called DEXED. It's a synthesizer. It got bells, pads, basses, all that, you know, different type of textures. Whatever you need, I'm on to the next, So the third plugin I got for y'all is called Camel Crusher. It's a distortion and it's a compression. What else do I need to say? Compression, you need to know how to compress sounds. You need to know how to, distort. Some things need to be distorted, especially the kick. That's what I, distort sometimes. Sometimes you gotta distort the snare. The fourth one is Valhalla, Supermassive. It's a reverb / delay. This is pretty much used in every genre. Delay is pretty much used in every genre. You just gotta know when and how to use it. The more research sources, the better. The fifth one I got for y'all is called Synthone. It's a synthesizer, man. Y'all niggas be sleeping on the synthesizers, man. Y'all need to get back to it, man. Y'all sleeping, man. It's an all-in-one sound for all producers. It's versatile, it's classic, It got leads and it got basses, deep basses, man. Yeah, man. Also, I wanted to say I'm dropping the links for each plug-in down below. Who's doing that for y'all, man? I'm bringing some heat for y'all, man. I'm dropping down. Look, if you check the description, man, I'm leaving the links for each plug-in down below, man. So if y'all would like it, go ahead, like the video, go ahead and subscribe, man. I got some more videos coming for y'all soon. Comment whatever videos y'all want me to do next, man. I'm here for y'all, man. The community, we gone. I'll see y'all next video.